This time of year, my rosacea flares up. It's the perfect storm of cold, dry air outside, warm, dry air inside, and spicier foods I eat in the fall. It also could be an overgrowth of the Demodex mite. In this video, I want to show you how you can easily cover a breakout, whether it's from acne or it's from rosacea. If there is an overgrowth of Demodex mites, a little tea tree oil will take care of that. Tea tree oil is safe to use straight on the skin, but it can cause irritation. So dilute it in a carrier oil, such as jojoba. Pour a small amount of jojoba oil in your palm, about a dime size amount. Now add 2 or 3 drops of tea tree oil and apply it to your skin where it is breaking out. Now apply a nice light moisturizer on top of the tea tree oil. Bubble Slam Dunk Hydrating Moisturizer is perfect for normal to dry skin. It contains aloe, vitamin E, and avocado oil to moisturize and help reduce redness. To cover this breakout, you will need a domed foundation brush and a concealer brush. These brushes need to be very soft and non-irritating. They need to be clean. Skin that's breaking out from rosacea or from acne is very sensitive, and we don't want to irritate it more. In addition to your brushes, you will need a tinted moisturizer, a concealer, very close match to your skin, and a spray-on toner. For my tinted moisturizer, I am using the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue in the color Cashew. It makes my skin look beautiful. Now that the skin is prepped, I'm going to apply my tinted moisturizer. I'm going to use my fingers to apply this tinted moisturizer because the fingers are gentle on the skin. For my concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. It is great. I'm using light beige. The concealer, I'm going to apply with the brush, only where it's needed, on the breakout spots. I'm getting that dark spot too while I'm at it. Now you want to wait a minute or two. Let that concealer set up a bit and become a little bit tacky. Lightly tap your foundation brush over the concealer to blend it. You could also use a sponge if your skin is feeling very sensitive to the brush. My toner is the Dermalogica Multi-Active Toner. Now spray your toner over the makeup to set it and to add moisture to the skin. We are not using powder. It will look dry and it will look irritated, so the toner will set your makeup. That's it. You can't hide the bumps, but you can hide the redness. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.